Today, we're making white chocolate gingerbread cookies from the Book of Gingerbread by Helena Garcia. We both love gingerbread cookies, so when we saw the added cloves and white chocolate in this recipe, we knew we had to try them. Unlike traditional gingerbread cookies, these do not have molasses in them, so they're a bit more like a ginger cookie than a gingerbread cookie, but equally delicious. For this recipe, start by creaming the butter and sugar together. Then add in the eggs. Once combined, add in the vanilla and thoroughly mix. Next, add in the flour, ginger, ground cinnamon, grated nutmeg, ground cloves if you're using them, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. It's best to start with the mixer on low here until the dry ingredients start to combine, otherwise you'll make a big mess. Once everything is just combined, gently add in the white chocolate. We opted to use white chocolate chips here instead of chunks because we had them on hand from another recipe. Once the chocolate is fully mixed in, cover the dough with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for 45 minutes. After the dough has finished chilling, use a cookie scoop or kitchen scale to form 12 cookies. Bake on a parchment or silicone-lined baking sheet for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. Once they're done, let them cool on a wire rack and enjoy. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.